Okay, Bill Feudel here with LaFontaine Automotive Group. Hey, just a quick walk around on this 2021 Wrangler high altitude. First thing you notice is those outstanding looking wheels. All blacked out. Boards are standard. Painted rear bumper. Diesel engine. It's actually pretty quiet. It's mated very well with this car. Great pickup and delivery, great fuel economy. Here's your up front with the fog lamps. Again, on the high altitude, you have a painted front bumper. See the LED lights. This one's got the standard hitch on it. Passive entry. There's the bag for your T-top, or actually in this case, this one's got the power roof. A little storage here with a drain plug. You can use it as a cooler spot for your hardware. Take off any hardware, including roof pieces and the windows on this one, because it does have the power top, Sky Touch. Again, eco diesel. I think it's a great combination. Coming into the inside of the car, notice the stitching, only on high altitude. Heated seats and heated steering wheel. Adaptive cruise, side blind zone alert. 8.4 screen with navigation. I like to think our screens are the easiest to use, most like your iPhones or Droids. You have redundant. If you don't want to do it here, climate and controls, you could come down here and control it. Biggest thing is window switches. Oh, and the other thing I love about this one, you can go to 4-wheel high and just leave it there all winter if you choose to. Automatic shifter, auxiliary plugs, adaptive cruise as I mentioned. Again, just giving you a look. Bill Feudel here at LaFontaine. Hope to hear from you soon.